a temple. It is a place of worship of the Hindus. The Hindus celebrate Diwali